Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a bottle opener from resin and pinecone. So we're just flattening off the end here with a Forstner bit. And now we're going to drill in with a 11/32 drill bit. Alright, so now we're going to put it onto the mandrel, which has a tapping feature. And now we're going to start by turning the blanks around. So all cutters are negative rake and they are from Easy Wood Tools. So the first one is the #1 hollower. A very versatile tool this is. All of the hardware used to make the bottle stopper came from Niles Bottle Stoppers. This blank is made up of two colours. It is made up of Wisteria purple and it is made up of Junjin silver, both from Eye Candy Pigments. Gonna keep getting it round, well, to round. This is the mid-size finisher now. Alright, so we are going to start by rounding off the bottom section here, round by the mandrel. And do a bit more shaping. And we're going to shape the other end, round it out. Not going to completely do it, we've still got to add a few more features yet. And here we go, we are going to be using the beading cutters from Easy Wood Tools, and they have a negative rake feature on them as well, so they are a pleasure to use on resin. Back to the #1 hollower, just to blend it all in. Alright, so now we are going to clean up that end. Still sticking with the #1 hollower. And there you go. Move the tool rest. Alright, so we are going to start off with 120 grit here from Klingspor Abrasives. Alright, and we've transitioned up to 400 grit here, and now we're going to wipe away all of that dust with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. You wipe all this all over until you have clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
I gotta figure it out right now, 'cause I know what you need. You want only the best and nothing but the best from me.
So I'm actually going to be trying a different polishing technique this time. There we go. We're just going to finish off the Yorkshire Grit Original. And now we're going to do the Yorkshire Grit Microfine. And then we're going to try the new idea that I had. So once again, you just put this all on until you have a clean paper towel. And then you're all done. And there you go. So here's the new idea I had. It's citrus burnishing oil from Hampshire Sheen. So you wipe this all over, and then you turn the lathe up quite fast, and we'll burnish it in. So I ended up putting 2 coats on, but you can put as many as you like on.
Just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for. It's just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind, I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say myself from you.
Alright, time for assembly. So I had done a little bit of extra editing on this video, like with a few pan and zooms. I'm interested to know what you thought about it. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know in the comments down below. And with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.